welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink on Monday.
We're so happy.
Because today we have Monster Rehab Peach Tea Energy.
You know, that was one of my nicknames when I was growing up, was Peach Tea.
Really?
No.
I didn't
But
think so.
Good.
So recover plus revive plus refresh.
Yeah.
Sounds good. I don't think we've ever tried one of the Monster Rehab, so this should be interesting. 3% juice tea may settle, so shake a little bit gently. Okay. Give it a little shake.
So is it going to be full carbonated or is it going to be a smooth?
Non-carbonated.
Ah.
Says on the can, so this should be interesting.
Okay.
So, in the important factors, we got ourselves 25 gallons. We got ourselves 190 milligrams of sodium, 6 grams of carbohydrate, 4 grams of sugar, and 3 grams of added sugar. We have 30 milligrams of calcium, 80 milligrams of potassium, 240% of vitamin B3, 230% of B6, 480% of B12, 390% of B5, 4% of phosphorus, and 6% of magnesium.
Yeah.
Plus 160 milligrams of caffeine in the entire can.
Oh. It's impressive.
Yes.
Ooh. Nice little sound there.
Yeah, nice little sound.
That crushed
Ooh.
300 back there good. Yes, sir.
It smells good, people. It smells like an Arizona tea.
What was the other peach tea variety we had? Was that a Bang?
I think so. Ooh. Wow.
The Bang one we had was pretty good. How many calories does this one have again?
25.
Okay.
Yeah, in the entire can, 25. Wow. That is tasty.
I take it you're impressed.
Yeah. That is really good.
Whoa, there's something just about a peach tea.
There is something.
Somewhere that has like a peach mango. That's pretty good too.
I think that's Arizona that has the peach mango, but that is very tasty.
Oh.
It's same texture. Yeah. I think it helps that it's not an unsweetened tea.
Yeah.
I think
That's
that helps.
awesome.
Yeah, that has a really good flavor, really
Yeah,
good
real
texture.
Good balance. It doesn't have that heavy tea taste behind it.
Yeah.
There's actually
It's-
have tea in it.
Ooh, that's a good point. I think so. I'll have to check. But yeah, nice juice texture. It is really, really good. Let me see here.
It reminds me of
Brewed tea
tomato.
is through filtered water with black tea solids,
Wow.
peach juice concentrate, etc.
I like that.
Wow. That's pretty good.
Do we have anything like above the top SRT 392? We don't hand those
not
out
really,
too
no.
often, but that one would be worth handing out like the special award.
I guess
If
we'd
we
have to
had
go.
one.
I guess we'd have to go up to see what is it?
Wait,
SRT
call it red eye,
392.
Do we?
SRT 392 wide body.
Okay. Do we
That'll
have, like,
work.
Or can we just do like a Hellcat? Just a Hellcat tow. What do you think?
I guess we could take it up to a Hellcat. I'm not sure it's quite that good,
Okay.
but
I
it's
like
definitely it's definitely very tasty.
If we
Definitely
had above 392, I would give it
Mhm.
because
From
I would
the,
immediately grab that one.
from the dollar store for $1.25.
Was that dollar store
Uh-huh.
one? Oh,
But it was not $1.
I want more of those.
Yeah, but
Is it
that's
down?
very tasty. Yeah.
Okay, I
So,
want to get more of those. I'm stopping there today.
but that is very tasty, folks. I do like that. It's
It's
definitely
so smooth.
it's very smooth.
It's very, very light, refreshing. It doesn't leave a coating in your mouth.
Yes,
No
exactly.
aftertaste. That's just awesome.
Yeah, very, very tasty. So,
I mean, if for hotter days it'd be even better, but that's just a great taste. I'm super
Yeah.
impressed. Like I said, I would go grab
Mhm.
more and more and more of those,
right.
and especially for Dollar Tree. price.
Yeah.
So
That is good.
Wow.
Like it. So, if you guys haven't tried it, we definitely recommend it. And let us know what you guys think of it, because that is very tasty.
and the can looks cool too.
And the can,
So,
that looks really cool.
yeah.
I wish when they did the Monster Energy cars that they'd actually change up to the different
Yeah,
drink
well,
flavors.
But you gotta stay with the.
I know, but some of those,
Everybody knows
right?
with that
But
sound effect. With the
Yeah.
green.
but I mean, you gotta admit that a Mango Loco
Yeah, the big
painted car in the beautiful turquoise blue would be awesome. But anyways, guys, that's
Or is
enough
that
of
the
us
ultra?
talking.
That's the ultra one. The ultra.
Yeah. That's enough of us talking, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys here next time. Bye.